All it takes is one bullet.
I guess I
In
gotta
this
see.
video, we're gonna talk about how to use strip silence. And this is kind of what you need to do when you're cleaning up your vocals uh, before, after you mix a song. You usually need to clean up your vocals. So let's just use this track in front of us. All right, so these this line is silence, but it's you need to get rid of that um, in between your takes. And like if you look at all these other tracks, there's a lot of silence. So that's, but it's not really silence. As you move it around, as you breathe in, as you
It,
getting ready to speak or rap or sing or whatever. So that adds up on these tracks. So it it makes it like hiss. So you don't want that. So what you want to do is remove that. After you finish, mixing. So it's a lot of different ways you can do it. And today we're going to talk about using strip silence. But that's a tool, but sometimes it's not that as accurate as you want it to be. So usually you can you use this tool just I think it's just a cursor, and you want to put it on slip. You want to just highlight what you want to get rid of, and then press delete. Um, and if you want to get whatever you want to get rid of the breath, you want to whatever, and you go through all these tracks, you make it bigger by pressing Command brackets, or and you go through all the tracks, and you know, as you can see, it's it'll be kind of tedious if you were to do it like that with every single track. And the bigger your session is, the more tedious it is. So there's another way to do that that's a little quicker. That'll help you out a little bit. So say I wanted to do it right here. You select that track. You go to Audio Suite. You go to, what is it? Is it noise reduction? No. It's on one of these though. It's not that. It's not that. Maybe it's. Let's find strip silence. Or maybe it's track. Where is it? Oh, edit. Let's go to edit. Go to strip silence. Now, let's make this bigger. So they have a threshold and a minimum strip duration. Whatever. I usually leave all this the same, and I mess with the threshold. So as I you know make it bigger, that's not good. But you don't want to cut off noises like that. You're actually doing things, but you want to make it so that basically it's cutting off all the silence below a certain amount, but it's keeping your vocals. So um, you press strip, and it kind of cuts it out for you. So it's not going to be perfect because you might have some like this. It left something right here, and you can just go in and you like, let's use it on this bigger selection. So we highlighted that. I guess we got to go in and do it again. Edit, strip silence. This one is a little bit more difficult because you want to get in between the words. And sometimes I don't use it because like it's not getting in between these words. It should be getting right here. So maybe let's see. Yeah. So if you adjust that, I guess you can do it a little better. And that looks pretty good. Like it'll get between all of them. Press strip. And it actually, hold on now. It probably cut off some things. Let's see, did it? Not really. Did a pretty good job actually. Little things like it. I'm pretty sure this is nothing or a mistake or a bump. Let's see. Oh, it's muted. I don't know. Yeah, so it got rid of most of the silence. And then you just go throughout the song and select clips. And you can get rid of it that way. And it'll save you. And you adjust it when you need to, though. You want to make sure that it's not getting rid of your vocals. And just adjust it when you need to. And then you go in and clean it up. And it's easier to clean it up than for you to actually go through and do all of them manually like this. Just go through the whole song, and it takes a while. But that's how you use strip silence. Okay.